Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play classic Solitaire Klondike. The game uses a standard deck of 52 cards. Your main goal is to move all these cards to 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit and rank. We begin by dealing 7 tableau piles, with the top card of each pile face up. The first pile has 1 card, the second has 2, and so on, up to 7 cards. The remaining 24 cards form your stock pile. Now, let's talk about moving cards. Within the 7 tableau piles, you can move cards onto other piles. The rule is simple. You must place a card of a lower rank onto a card of a higher rank, and they must be of alternating colors. For example, a red 5 can go on a black 6. If a tableau column becomes empty, only a king can be moved into that open space. The 4 foundation piles are your ultimate destination for all cards. Each foundation must be built up by suit, starting with an ace, then a 2, and so on, all the way to the king. You can move cards to these foundations from either the tableau or the waste pile. When you run out of moves, draw cards from the stock pile, either 1 or 3 at a time, to reveal new options in the waste pile. You achieve victory in Klondike Solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their respective foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. A helpful strategy is to always prioritize turning over face-down cards in the tableau, as this reveals more options. Also, try to move aces and 2s to the foundation piles as soon as they become available, clearing space and advancing your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.